What if black holes are more than just cosmic monsters? What if they're not the end of everything, but actually the beginning of something else? In this video, we'll explore an incredible idea: the possibility that black holes might be gateways to other universes. Could these dark giants be hiding portals to new worlds? Stay tuned, because we're about to take a journey beyond the edge of space and time. Let's begin with the basics. A black hole is a region in space where gravity is extremely strong. So strong that nothing, not even light, can escape it. Black holes usually form when massive stars collapse at the end of their life. The star's core gets crushed into a single point called a singularity, where density becomes infinite and the laws of physics as we know them break down. Surrounding this point is an invisible boundary called the event horizon. Once anything crosses it, it's gone forever. No matter, no light, no information can come back out. But here's the strange part. Scientists don't really know what happens inside a black hole. Everything that goes in just seems to vanish. Does it get destroyed forever? Or does it go somewhere else? This mystery has led scientists to think bigger, way bigger. One of the most fascinating theories about black holes is that they might be wormholes, tunnels through space that could connect two distant points or even two completely different universes. Think of space as a piece of paper. If you fold the paper and poke a hole through it, you create a shortcut between 2 points. That's what a wormhole does. It bends space so that you can jump from one place to another instantly. If black holes are wormholes, then maybe they don't destroy everything that falls in. Maybe they transport it somewhere else. The idea of wormholes comes from Einstein's theory of general relativity. And in the 1930s, Einstein and his colleague Nathan Rosen described something called an Einstein-Rosen bridge. Basically, a black hole connected to a white hole, which might spit matter back out in another universe. It's a cool idea, but it's still just a theory. We haven't found any real wormholes yet. The math of general relativity actually allows for wormholes, but they come with some serious problems. According to the equations, these wormholes would be extremely unstable and would collapse in a fraction of a second. To keep one open, we'd need a type of material called exotic matter, something with negative energy that pushes space apart instead of pulling it together. We don't know if exotic matter even exists, but if it does, it might be the key to keeping a wormhole stable long enough for someone, or something, to travel through. If we ever discovered a way to create or stabilize a wormhole, we could use it to travel across the universe in moments, or maybe even visit other universes with different rules of physics. It sounds like science fiction, but the equations suggest it's at least possible. Still, without evidence, it remains one of the universe's most exciting what-ifs. Some scientists have proposed an even crazier idea. What if black holes don't just lead to other places in our universe? What if they actually create new universes? This is called the cosmological natural selection theory. According to this idea, when something falls into a black hole, it might trigger a big bang inside the black hole's core, leading to the birth of a new universe. That means every black hole could be a kind of seed, a universe generator. If this theory is true, then our universe might have been born from a black hole in another, older universe. And inside the black holes in our own universe, there might be countless new universes being born right now. This gives a whole new meaning to the idea of a multiverse, a network of baby universes connected by black holes, each with its own laws of nature. Let's imagine, just for a moment, that black holes really are wormholes or cosmic doorways. Could we actually travel through one? The short answer is probably not, at least not with today's technology. First, the gravity near a black hole is so strong it would stretch a person or a spaceship like spaghetti. Scientists actually call this effect spaghettification. Second, we don't know what's on the other side. It could be another universe, or it could just be empty space, or even instant death. Even if we solved the spaghettification problem, we'd still have to deal with massive radiation, high temperatures, and time behaving in strange ways. So for now, black hole travel is just science fiction, but it's a fascinating possibility that inspires physicists to think beyond our limits. If we could go through a black hole, what would be on the other side? No one knows for sure, but there are some fun guesses. Maybe we'd find a mirror universe, where everything is reversed. Maybe time would flow backward, or gravity would behave in strange ways. Maybe we'd find a universe where life evolved in totally different forms, or where stars and planets are made of matter we can't even imagine. Some physicists think that black holes might be the key to understanding the multiverse, the idea that our universe is just one of many. If black holes connect different universes, then maybe the multiverse is real. And black holes are the gateways that connect it all. The possibilities are endless. Not all scientists agree with these wild ideas. Many believe that black holes simply crush everything they take in, and that there's no escape or passage to another universe. Others are more open to the possibilities, especially when it comes to the math behind wormholes and multiverses. But all scientists agree on one thing: we need more evidence. These theories are exciting, but without real data, they're just educated guesses. The good news is, we're learning more about black holes every year. New telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope are giving us better images and more data than ever before. We've even seen a picture of a black hole's shadow. Maybe in the future, we'll get a clearer answer and finally know what lies inside. So, what if black holes are gateways to other universes? Right now, we don't know for sure. But just thinking about it stretches our imagination. These ideas make us look at the universe in a whole new way. Not just as a place of stars and galaxies, but as a place full of hidden possibilities. Maybe black holes are deadly traps, or maybe they're doors to new worlds waiting to be explored. Until we know the truth, we can keep wondering, dreaming, and exploring. The universe is mysterious, powerful, and beautiful. And black holes might be the key to unlocking its deepest secrets. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends who love science and space. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing stories from the universe. Let us know in the comments, what do you think is inside a black hole? And remember, the more we explore, the more we discover just how much we still don't know.